What's up, everybody? Mr. Ball back at it with another video for you. Nothing new or anything like that. I did try to look for the 4-inch clip fan at Home Depot, the closest Home Depot to me, and the mini, or I think it says compact lights. It's the Ryobi compact lights, 49 bucks, and the clip fan's 14. No, it's 19, that's right. So couldn't find them, no big deal. Once they get in circulation, I'll eventually get them one day, but I'm not gonna go to eBay and pay 40 bucks for that mini clip fan that's 4 inches. I already have the mist fan and the regular one. Not a big deal. Anyway, what are we gonna do today? Because I don't have a new product. I think what I'm gonna do is stop buying so much new stuff, because really at this point, I have everything. I don't need anything. I don't think. What do I need? Yeah, I don't need anything. So I'm gonna start to do updates and review videos on the stuff I already have. I have so much of it. Let's get right into it. So today's video is going to be, what is it going to be? That's right, it's going to be the Carhartt jackets and the coats and the hoodies and the long sleeve shirt. Yeah, everything Carhartt, long sleeve, jackets, hoodies, shirts, thick flannels, whatever else I have in Carhartt. It's what, spring, summer's coming up. I miss my Carhartt jackets. I miss just putting them on. I mean, it's been raining. It's been a little chilly, so I got to wear the zipper hoodie and all that good stuff, the blue one that I like to wear. But yeah, the rest of it I just can't wear like I want to. So anyway, I'm gonna pull it all out, show you what I got, and yeah, let's. I think there was like a couple of items that I sold, just a couple, so I still have all the rest from the original videos on them. So anyway, stay tuned. Let's check out all the good stuff. All the Carhartt gear, the man stuff. Actually, women too. Yeah, just like the lady from, what's that show? Life Below Zero. She's always wearing the Carhartt gear, all that good stuff. She's always rambling on like I do. So yeah, Carhartt's not just for the men. Of course, it's for the women. It's really catching on with the women too. I've been seeing people around actually wearing it. That's the people meeting women outside of guys. Usually it's guys. You can seeing the women too. So cool on that. Anyway, let's get right into it. Let's get into the closet. You know, my closet has a deadbolt because, yeah, there's arms in here that the kids don't need to get to. Anyway, we're not going to show you any of that. That's not what this channel is about. The channel is about this. All right, here you have it. Here is all of my long sleeve Carhartt gear, whether it's a shirt, a jacket, a flannel, a vest. Here's the entire collection. What I'm going to do is set this up on a tripod because I want to show you how everything's holding up, how it looks. Some of these have many washes, and some of them, actually I've washed them all lots of times, to be honest with you. Lots of other Carhartt gear as well, so maybe I'll do this on some other items like the hats and the regular shirts. Alright, first up what we have, I forgot the name of the color, but if you watch my original videos on the Carhartt, it has the color in the description. This is just a review and an update. Not really a review, but an update on everything. This is holding up. I've watched this, if I had to take a guess, since I wear it all the time, maybe 12 to 13 times since I've had it. This is one of the newer pieces. And the quality is nice. It feels really good, and this is one of those things, like, this is what I most recently wore. It's been raining, it's been, when it gets down to like 50 and then 60, I'll throw this on if I just have like a white tee or regular tee, if I'm running to pick up some barbecue or something like that. But anyway, this is actually the newest piece. It's the long sleeve shirt that I picked up that says Carhartt down the side. Nothing special. I do like the shirt though, it feels really good. It's big, doesn't shrink. Original size. I've washed this about 4 times now. Somewhere around there, 4 or 5, maybe 3 minimum. The original piece I bought, the first one, which is not long sleeve, so this is the only one that's not a long sleeve, but this is the first jacket I bought from Carhartt. It is a vest. It's a Sherpa lined vest. It's a classic. I like this style vest better. It doesn't have that collar short here, and it's a Sherpa line. Once I felt this Sherpa line, and once I bought this, I was like, you know what, I have to go with the Sherpa line jacket. So that's what I did. So I have this right here. It's really nice. This is the original piece. This piece here is waxed. I waxed it and then I let it dry, then waxed it again. It has 2 coats I don't know if I did this a third time, but 2 coats on it. I can still feel it. I don't know if you could see it. Probably not, but you know, it's been washed and tattered, so it's not as waxy as it was. But I like that wax feel, and it's not too waxy. This is my favorite pattern on the inside. This is holding up as well. I've had this a little while. This is under a year old, but I've worn it quite a few times. I love that pattern. So out of all the items I have of Carhartt, the pattern on the inside of the jacket, the line, and whatever it may be, I like this one better. I like the Sherpa line feel better. But yeah, this you could wear. It's a thick, long sleeve shirt jacket. That's what this is a shirt jacket. It's black. It's very nice. It's a large. The great thing is everything on my jackets and hoodies, they're larges. They don't shrink. They feel really good. I'll go ahead and throw this bad boy on just to kind of show you. If you've watched my other videos, you've seen me in these jackets. Every single one I have a video on. But I love these jackets. It's buttoned up. I love that, the way that button looks. Got your logo there. I love my shirt pockets, my top pockets here if you've been following me for a while. And look at the inside of that. Bam! It just looks cool. You know what? While I'm at it, I might as well try everything on just to show you. Here's the vest, just to kind of give you an idea. Bam! No muscles. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm lumberjack strong. See, I like the way it dips down right here. See, it dips down in the back, and you're good right there. Something's on it, by the way. So anyway, yeah, like the vest. This really looks good, especially when you wear colors like I'm wearing today. Blue jean shorts, white hat. Look, it just goes with everything. It's a nice color, it's a cool color. You can wear it in the spring, summer, fall. That's what it's for, and it's light. Look, you know, this is a thin one. This is pretty thin, you know, there's no extra lining, it's just a hoodie. Another shirt jacket. This is more of the, I think this is either sandstone gray or gravel. You have that, I forgot what that's called. The lining nylon, I don't know what it's called. Anyway, can't keep up with all the jackets. Here it is. Bam. I like the shirt jackets a lot more than everyday wear, just kind of casually wearing. I like the shirt jackets more. But when it comes to my favorite pieces, it would be the thick Carhartt jackets. But this is nice. I like it. You have your pockets. Put your phone there. This is more so for the rain. It's more that light jacket, that certain repellent material. You know, this is, again, forgot what it's called, forgive me, but anyway, this is more so a light throw jacket. This is a thin shell, by the way. They have different ones. See, that's really thin. Same with the lining. It's that thin lining, so some people complain that it's too thin and light and it doesn't keep them warm. It does the job, but yes, out of all the jackets I have here outside of the vest, this is gonna be the coolest, and that's what I like. You have your thick zipper right there on the arm. You got your zipper pocket right here, love that. Like I said, you got 2 pockets on the inside. It's very light, very thin. So these are the rain defenders. I got 2 of them. Here's the gray one. This is the thick one. This is the heavier one. People love these rain defenders. Thanks for the comments and the likes on the other rain defender videos. I really dig these. These have been washed about 18 times maybe. They work. It feels really good. You got your pockets here. Again, the only complaint I have with the rain defenders, and some people can agree with this, they sent me comments and videos. When you put your hand in the pocket, it hits the little pocket first. So you got your big pocket right there. But there's this little bitty baby pocket right there. So when you put your hand right in, it hits the baby pocket first. Hate that baby pocket. What the heck do you put in there? So anyway, that's the only complaint I have. You got your inside pocket right here. Love my inside pocket. Yeah, you don't have one over here, but it's thicker, it's warmer, it feels good. And this again is a hoodie. This is the rain defender. It does repel, defend the rain, but it's not waterproof. To be honest, when it comes to the rain defenders, I like the navy one better. I like the navy everything better over the gray anyway. So here it is. The rain defender, same. You got this small baby pocket over here. Feels good. I haven't put this thing on in a while. Feels good to put these bad boys on. I just wanted to take them out because again, it's not winter time. It's been hot. I'm in Texas, by the way, so it's been hot here. Oh, it's been okay. Not as hot as usual. That's the Sherpa lined. Again, forget the exact name. Sierra Sandstone, there we go. My favorite jackets, I better remember. It's black Sierra Sandstone Sherpa line jacket. Here it is. This is the thick one. This is the best. Whenever you see somebody wearing a Carhartt jacket, this is usually the one you see. Maybe not with the hoodie, maybe with the hoodie, but when you watch a TV show, whether it be Life Below or whether it be Yukon or whatever else, when a guy is working outside, even the lady from Life Below, the lady that runs the airport strip, she wears this jacket. You're gonna see they wear this jacket. This is the most popular style. It goes all the way around. You got that dip right there. I love that. Dips down at the back. I got the hooded version. That's the most popular one. That's the main one you see most. But if they have a jacket and it's not hooded, it's usually this one. You got your zipper right here. I like the way that is. It's a slanted zipper, see? Zipper pocket. And this jacket holds up. Now this, outside of the vest, is the next piece that I picked up. I waxed this too. It has like 4 coats on it. That's why if you see it a little worn, it's not just because I've washed this one probably a total of 25 times to get that worn in and that worn feel. But yeah, I put the wax on it to get that white look too. As you see on there, certain parts where it doesn't wash that much, you can see it's all black right there. And then it's white here from the wear. I like that look. Black goes with everything. This actually goes with everything too. This goes with blue jean. This is the Carhartt brown. It's so washed and worn. It's not that dark Carhartt brown that you would think of, but that's what I wanted. I wanted it to blend in to match my overalls, which maybe we'll do a video on that. I already did a video on that about a year ago. Maybe we can do an update. Anyway, look. See how it's dark right there and then it's light right here? That's from the waxing and the washing. This is worn. But yeah, love this jacket. It's the hooded jacket. The Carhartt brown, my favorite color of Carhartt. But it's not my favorite jacket, actually. It would be the black, and then I do like that blue color. I just love that Carhartt brown, even though I usually wear the other colors more. So that's it. These are all my Carhartt jackets, hoodies, shirt, jackets, and vest. So I have 10 pieces total. I think I might have picked up a couple. I did pick up a couple of other shirts before and then sold them because I didn't like the material and the way that I think they were dress shirt. They were shirts, yeah. Carhartt dress shirts, not jackets, but shirts. I did not like. Anyway, that's pretty much it, y'all. I thank you if you made it to the end of the video. Thanks for the support. Thanks for watching. If you have a question on any of these pieces, I will definitely look it up and respond if you want to know what something is. If you could please give this a thumbs up, it really helps. Like, subscribe, stick around for the other videos. And if there's anything you want to see, let me know. I'm running out of ideas, but I want to keep it going. And thanks for watching. See y'all next time.